Let's see how you can easily build WhatsApp conversational AI agents powered by Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite model right here. So here Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite model is introduced recently, and it has better capabilities comparing with previous Gemini models over here. So let's see what you can do, how you can use this particular model to build your WhatsApp AI agents or conversational AI agents that can simply respond to your customers' questions. So here I'm in a demo account. First of all, you need to connect your WhatsApp phone number right here. So if you're wondering how, click on channels option over here. It will take you directly to settings channels, where you can simply connect any channels you like. For example, if you are wondering how to connect the WhatsApp, simply click on learn more. Here we have the step-by-step guide on how to connect your WhatsApp account. So you will need to simply log in with your account over there and simply connect the WhatsApp account right there. So you can, if you have your WhatsApp business app already registered, you can also connect the same phone number right here as well for the automations. So once it is done, you can actually build any sort of automations for the WhatsApp. And if you are planning to use Google Gemini, you also need to connect the API keys from the Google Gemini platform as well. For that, go to settings. In settings, integrations, choose Google Gemini, where you can connect the API keys from the Gemini platform right there. So here, if you click on learn more, here we have the step-by-step guide on how to grab the API keys from the Google AI Studio and simply connect it on our platform. So once it is done, you can actually build any sort of automations on WhatsApp powered by Google Gemini. So you can simply go to the AI Hub over here, where you can actually create any sort of AI agents or AI chatbots for your own business with all the information about your own business. All right. So here, let me use the existing one right here. Let me use this one, Bug Shield Pest Control. So here, let me use this information right here. So it says you are a customer service assistant to the particular company. The keep responses 1 to 2 sentences, and here we have all the information about that specific company right here, including the services, pricing, and some frequently asked questions as well, just for the demo. And here, if you click on this option here, you have the option to set the specific model right here. So in this demo icon, we have connected OpenAI, Cloud, Gemini, and XAI, DeepSeek. It shows all these models right here. But if you are planning to use the Google Gemini for the responses, you have to set the priority for the Google Gemini right here. So since we have connected all these models, it shows all these models. But if you have connected only the Google Gemini will show up right here. But here we can actually set the priority for the Google Gemini as the number one. So click on this arrow mark and move this up as well. All right, now the Google Gemini is set up as the number one priority. So that means when a particular customer asks any sort of question, it will try to generate a response from the Google Gemini first. Only if that fails, if it is successful, it will simply always generate a response from the Google Gemini. If it is failed, it will try to generate a response from the OpenAI right here. And likewise, if both of these models fails, it will try to generate a response from the cloud as well. But we want to use the Google Gemini, so let me choose Google Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite over here. All right, and here if you want, you can set temperature, tokens, and other things as well. All right, it's set up, and click save. All right, it has been saved as well. So now you have to make this as the default agent over here. All right, and now it will simply work on all these connected channels, including the WhatsApp as well. And if you want to delay these responses, you can do that as well. Go to settings. In settings, you have the option to delay these responses as you like as well. For example, if you want to delay these responses by 10 or 15 seconds, you can do that as well. And here, set how long the bot waits before replying after the user's last message. Suppose if the user sent multiple messages within a short time period, the timer resets and the messages are queued into a single response as well. All right, if you want, you can delay these responses, but I'm not going to do that. Let me go back to the AI Hub, open this business information, and let's test how this actually works. So here, let me share my phone screen, and here I'm in the WhatsApp, and let me send a message over here asking about the address. What is your address? So I'm asking about the address. Let's see how this actually responds. So here, office is this address, simple as that. And let me ask what services they provide. All right, let's see what services they provide. So it says we offer a range of pest control services, including treatments for ants, scorpions, bees, and termites. We also provide recurring protection plans and specialized add-ons like the cleanup and exclusion work. Simple as that. So likewise, it will simply respond to the customer's questions right here. So you can even ask about the pricing as well. For example, how much is for the ant treatment? how much is for the ad treatment. So let me ask this and see how this actually works. 95 to 145. To see if we can ask you, could you please share your provide your zip code. So here we have instructions on this AI agent to ask the zip code from the customer to check the availability. So it says service request. When a customer request a code or schedule a service inquires about a pest control, first ask for the zip code to confirm within the service area. If eligible, proceed to the user request pest control AI function to collect necessary details. So here you can even collect specific details as well. So here AI function, we have request pest control services right here. So let's see what we have right there. So it will simply collect specific customer details from them as well, a function. So let me locate the request pest control services. So here it collect the customer's name, phone number, zip code, and the type of pest issue as well. It collects all these details and trigger the particular confirmation flow to assign agents, and simply say one of the agent will be with them as well. Simple as that. So if you go to the unified inbox, you can track all these conversation just happened. So inbox, this from the WhatsApp. Likewise, you can track conversation from other channels too. So here, this from the WhatsApp, we ask all these questions, and from here also agent can easily send any sort of messages as well. So now it says bot is active as well. As soon as agent send any sort of messages from here, the bot will be paused and the chats will be transferred to the human folder as well. So currently we can see the chats from both human and bot, but let me send a random message to the customer and bot is active is gone. So now if I click on human only, you see the chats is in the human folder only, and the customer will receive it right here as well. And when the customer respond to them, they won't receive any sort of message from the AI because currently it is paused as well. So you can also anytime transfer this chat back to the bot as well. So here if you go to the bot conversation, here you see this conversation. So if I click on transfer to the bot, it will be transferred to the bot, and here you can see all these conversation if you untick, and if you want to see only the bot conversation, you can do that as well. All right, and now if I ask any sort of question, it will again start responding as well because currently its bot is active as well. And that's a quick video on how you can use Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite to build AI chatbots on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.